Mix 4 parts blue with 1 part red. Now blend the purple into the blue. Mix red and white to create a soft pink. Paint a warm orange right above this your completed ocean sunset painting. First, draw a horizon line. Mix blue with a touch of red. Paint the top section. Now mix blue and red for purple. Blend it directly below the blue. Mix red and white for pink. Mix 3 parts blue with 1 part white. Paint horizontal strokes below the horizon. Work your way down the canvas. Now mix 4 parts blue with 1 part red. Add this to the bottom, blend it gently upward.